How to manage stress. In this video, I am going to tell you the 3 simplest, most practical, and most effective tips to manage stress easily. These tips are derived from theories that have been tested and proven over 2,500 years. To practice these tips in real life, you don't need help from others, any money, or extra time. And that's why this is going to work for everyone. Before moving on to the 3 tips, I will explain the simple structure that I follow in this video so that you can absorb every piece of information easily. For each tip, first, I will explain what it is. Secondly, I will explain how to practice it. Finally, I will explain why you should do it. Let's begin with the first tip. The first tip is practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and aware of the current moment without judgment. Practicing mindfulness is very simple. First, take a deep breath through your nose, counting to 4. Hold your breath briefly, then exhale slowly through your mouth, counting to 6. Focus on the sensation of your breath as you repeat this process, letting go of any distracting thoughts that may arise. This will reduce stress by calming the mind, enhancing self-awareness, and improving emotional regulation. The second tip is embrace impermanence. Impermanence refers to the understanding that all things, including feelings, situations, and experiences, are temporary and constantly changing. A simple and practical way to embrace impermanence is to reflect on the changes you observe in everyday life. You can start by noticing how things around you change over time. The seasons, the growth of plants, or even changes in your own emotions. Reflect on the fact that everything is in a constant state of flux, and practice accepting this natural flow of change without clinging to things being permanent. This awareness helps reduce anxiety and fear associated with uncertainty, fostering a more peaceful mindset. The third and last tip is show compassion. Compassion is the ability to feel empathy and kindness towards oneself and others, especially during times of difficulty. A simple and practical way to practice showing compassion is to start with yourself and then extend it to others. Begin by being kind and understanding towards your own mistakes and challenges. This self-compassion sets a foundation for treating others with empathy and care. You can also practice acts of kindness, such as helping someone in need or offering words of encouragement. Compassion reduces negative emotions like anger and resentment, promotes emotional well-being, and strengthens social connections. It fosters inner peace and a sense of interconnectedness with others. Now you know exactly what to do, how to do it, and why you should do it. The key takeaway from this video is very simple. The simplest, most practical, and most effective way to manage stress is to engage in activities that make your mind calm and peaceful. Thank you for watching this explainer video. I believe you are already calm and peaceful after watching it. If you would like to see more videos like this, leave a comment saying yes, and I will see you in the next video.